Advancements in artificial intelligence continue to threaten the livelihoods of many workers across various industries. However, it appears that love letters may be the next target of this technological disruption. The rise of AI chatbots, such as ChatGPT, has sparked the question: will these digital creations ever truly be able to replace the intimacy and emotional connection of a handwritten love letter? As Valentine's Day approaches, the need for love letters becomes more pressing, and many people are considering turning to AI chatbots for help. According to a survey, nearly half of men confessed they would turn to AI software to craft a message expressing their affection. This is due to their own lack of romantic expression abilities, which often leads to feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. Among those surveyed, 42% expressed a willingness to use ChatGPT, the AI software that has gained popularity for its ability to generate content on demand. Of these, 32% stated their motivation was to increase their confidence, while others were motivated by convenience and the desire to save time. Like and subscribe for the most relevant news about the world of the metaverse.